Daily routines.
Get up.
I get up at 7 o'clock.
Wash face.
I wash my face in the morning.
Brush teeth.
I brush my teeth 3 times a day.
Have a shower. He has a shower every day. Comb hair.
I comb my hair every morning.
Get dressed. He gets dressed at 7:30. Have breakfast.
I have breakfast at 9 o'clock.
Go to school.
We go to school at 10 o'clock.
Have lunch.
I have lunch at school.
Arrive home. She arrives home at 4 o'clock. Do homework.
I do my homework before dinner.
Have dinner. They have dinner at 7 p.m. Watch TV. We watch TV after dinner. Go to bed.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Mary's daily routine. Hi, I'm Mary. I'm a student. I get up very early in the morning. I brush my teeth and have a shower. I have breakfast after I have a shower. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I have lunch at school. I arrive home at 3 p.m. Then I do my homework and play computer games. We have dinner at 7 p.m. I watch TV and I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Bizi izlediğiniz için teşekkür ederiz. Lütfen kanalımıza abone olmayı ve beğeni atmayı unutmayalım.